Alright guys, we are on our next project for the RV and the renovation is about to begin.
Yes it is.
So first we wanted to go ahead and start doing the painting, but we have a little bit of a problem.
A little bit.
There's a hurricane coming this way. Well, supposedly, we'll see. We're in Florida, it can always change. So we decided we're gonna go ahead and start with the flooring. But before we go ahead and get started, make sure you subscribe and ring the bell for all your notifications. So we were able to have this flooring at a steal. We are gonna go ahead and put this laminate flooring in the camper. And I went on Lowe's and found it for 30 cents a piece. That means we're going to be able to do the whole floor for under $30. I'm super excited about that.
And I'm going to help.
Our goal for today is to get the laminate flooring in, and also this sink that we got on a Black Friday buy for like 20 bucks. So, time to finally use it. So we went ahead and we removed the piece that went around here. We decided that we are going to keep this because this is a great little rug to catch all the dirt for when you first walk in. And we are going to go ahead and put these pieces right up here. So now we got to line it up.
And that's where our battery's at too.
Yes, we can't really get rid of that area because that's where the batteries are kept. So we need that nice, safe, and secure. Of course, nothing comes easy. We thought that we were going to be able to just lay down this peel and stick tile right on top of this existing laminate. But we have a little bit of a problem.
It slides.
It slides. It does not want to stay in place and stick. So we're going to have to rip up the laminate, the existing laminate, to stick it on the wood, aren't we?
Yeah.
Oh man.
Definitely a lot harder than I thought it'd be.
So it looks like this is going to be a bigger project than we expected. We thought we were just going to go ahead and lay down the peel and stick right on top of the laminate, and of course that doesn't go. So John is tearing up. I'm trying to help, but I'm more likely getting in the way. And it is raining. Cue thunder and lightning. And Anna, come here Anna. And I got my little helper right here. She's she's not liking the lightning either. The kids are hiding in the house too. So we'll see how this goes. So as you can see, we went ahead and tore up all the laminate off the floor. And fortunately, we have not found any soft or wet spots. So that is a good sign. It should be a little easier laying down the laminate now.
Alright, so we got the bathroom left.
If there's going to be any soft spots on the floor, it'll probably be in the bathroom since that's like the wettest room.
Let's go.
Fingers crossed.
Luckily there was no water damage in the bathroom. I was scared. Alright, bye Rose. We have cleared the floor.
We have cleared it.
And we're ready to put down the new floor.
The new floor.
What do you think?
I think it's gonna look good. So it's gone into nighttime, still doing the floor, but I think it's coming along pretty good. What do you think, John?
I think so.
You think so? And it is dinner time, so we have some pizza for him, and I got a salad for me. We're gonna eat dinner and then try to finish this up tonight. So after we went on our little trip, one thing when we came back, John said we immediately had to take care of was this corner because it has been driving him crazy. That corner cabinet dropped down and you would likely bump your head on it. So he raised it up and is basically using the material off of the old one to build this new cabinet. So we finished the flooring. It is all done. It was pretty easy to do. It's basically peel and stick and use a razor knife to cut it. And I think it looks beautiful. This is like one of the cheapest, best investments that we made to this motorhome right here.
Only $30.
Yeah. Actually, it was $28
Yeah.
for everything. So I am super excited, and we have a couple pieces left over, so we didn't even have to use it all. And the bathroom turned out a lot better than I expected to too, so come and check it out. It's a very tiny bathroom, but I think it just adds very nice look to everything.
And it took the most amount of time.
Was this itty bitty bathroom? This
Yes.
much room, that much space,
Really hard to work in.
all the little cuts and stuff. But it looks great. We have more work to do in there. We have more painting and some changing up to do. And I'm super excited about that. But I'm really happy about the floor. I'm happy that we got it done. I'm super happy about the price that we paid. As you can see, we went ahead and we got rid of that closet over there in the corner, and John went ahead and put the cabinet back up there. So I might have a little bit less room in the closet, but look how much bigger the bed is. We got rid of the old mattress, and now we have room for a queen size bed in here. John's super happy because he won't be waking up hitting his head on that drop cabinet anymore, because I always had this side. And we didn't lose any of our storage considering that we're redoing the bed area. We still have all this area in here that can fit several big items. Okay guys, so I hope that you enjoyed our little DIY video on how we did the flooring, how we got cheap flooring at Lowe's. Check the clearance department, know your measurements, and find a color that you like. I think is the best way to do it.
I think so.
So I'm super excited. What do you want to see us do next? Because there's still so much work to be done.